Hello everybody, today we're on 434 on the situation that Valley 10 and the Song of 10 here to 6047 and there is 5284. Two double deckers and two single. How crazy is that? Craziest. craziest. 2 double deckers and 2 single deckers. How crazy is this? How can we do that? How? Oh God, we'll actually do it? Oh, lights.
I'm gonna have to take one of them sheets away.
A 1465 must go there. Just enjoy small kick down. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. They still are on this. It is. It's just outside. We're on the 19434, by the way. There's another one. 19435, this bus is 60. They're on 434.
Once I was there, I've got some pressure when I thought the same in the office. I took it there all day just to get a little bit organised. I forgot.
Not that loud.
I thought
But it is done.
and then the printer, someone else got a printer, thingy.
So that's why we're upstairs.
No, I ordered that for the
That's alright. Since July the 7th. But that was on the 19430. But sadly we're not on it. Which is an absolute shame. Boy was supposed to do refunds. But if like it was so slow you could easily fall there. Unless you're sitting a bit further. 19434.
No. Where's it going?
Slightly further. Along this yellow bar. Yellow. I'm just gonna get this. So I think 19435 is one in the video. I'm not gonna have this. I'm just gonna get it. Right, 1, 2, 6.